Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we introduce the high-speed radial drilling machine KSR 40 Advance. The tool-to-workpiece machining principle implemented here offers unique flexibility paired with excellent stability and playfully easy handling. The large travel and swivel range of the beam, together with the column stroke of up to 380 mm, offers a lot of workspace for large workpieces without the need of repositioning while one side is being machined. The clamping table is integrated in the stable machine frame. Two additional precisely machined side clamping surfaces offer space for further clamping devices and workpieces. The base plate, the cube table and the angle adjustable horizontal clamping table are delivered standard with the machine. The manual positioning of the drilling head is done without great effort. The upper beam runs on a durable and low-maintenance linear guide. With the clamp released at the push of a button, the beam with the drill head can be easily moved in both horizontal axes. The axes are clamped in the drilling position without changing the selected position. The vertical movement is done smoothly without affecting the horizontal positioning of the beam. Two gear stages enable a wide speed range with high torque and continuously variable spindle speed. The high-quality bearings and the ground and hardened gear wheels and shafts guarantee quiet running and long service life. The automatic quill feed is switched via the buttons on the twist grip and has an adjustable automatic depth stopper. A fine in-feed is also possible using a switchable hand wheel, and a digital drilling depth display is available for the exact position of the quill. The drill head can also be swiveled for drilling at an angle. Thread cutting is made easier by the integrated tapping device. The direction of rotation of the spindle changes automatically at the set depth stop. With the high-speed radial drilling machine KSR 50 VT, we also offer a servo-conventional variant with 50 mm drilling capacity, touchscreen control panel and servo quill feed. Contact us today at KNUTH Machine Tools for more solutions for your business.